Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. This is video number 778. And this is an 8-track player out of a Pontiac, apparently, model number 7298842. And the selector, the track switch, is only a track switch. So that definitely indicates a Pontiac unit. Excuse me. First thing I'll say is this piece should have been removed and not sent with the unit. This piece is not needed to test and repair the unit, so it cannot possibly help, but it can get broken in shipping, or it can smash up against something else and break it. So there's no... And needless to say, this also increases the return shipping cost. So this should have been removed by the customer before it was sent back. Customer, of course, probably didn't know that. So let's go ahead and test her out. This unit has been converted to work with a modern reproduction or converted radio, meaning that it's been converted to supply only a line level signal to the converted radio or to the modern radio, whichever one you have. So let's go ahead and pop in a tape, make sure it works. Okay, quick speaker check. Make sure we got both speakers. Okay, so that takes care of that. There's not much to test on a converted 8-track player because these controls have no effect anymore. All your control of volume, tone, and balance will be done at the radio. The only thing that still works on the 8-track would be the track change button. And I'll just give you a little quick rundown of what I do on these things. Now this conversion is designed to work with the aux input on the converted radio. Now since your 8-track uses up the radio's aux input, I also add a spare aux input on the 8-track so you can still plug like an MP3 player or your phone into this if you want to run an aux source through your unit. And then this is the new output jacks that go to your radio. Then you just got hot and ground wires to hook up, and that's it. Bob's your uncle. On that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this is one of my specialties, converting an old 8-track player for use with a modern radio. It's going to sound a lot better, be a heck of a lot easier to troubleshoot if something doesn't work. This comes from Jim in Colonial Beach, Virginia. Thanks so much, Jim, for your business all the way from across the country. Thank you guys for watching, listening. My website and phone number are in the description below. Please visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions, because I'm just going to send you back to the website if your questions indicate that you've not been to the website. Really, my time, as much of my time as possible, needs to be spent on the bench on the top quality workmanship that I've become known for. So the less time I spend on the phone, the more time I have to do that on your machine. So thanks again for watching, listening, guys. We'll see you next time.